Have you ever stared at a starry night sky and felt an unshakable urge to understand the cosmos? Or perhaps wondered how a massive airplane defies gravity? What if there was a place designed to not just answer these questions, but to ignite that very spark of curiosity within you? Today, we're diving deep into the captivating world of science centers, vibrant hubs where discovery comes to life. We'll explore their unique purpose, the incredible experiences they offer, and the profound impact they have on education and our understanding of the universe around us. At its heart, a science center isn't just a museum where you silently observe artifacts behind velvet ropes. It's a dynamic, interactive environment where science isn't just displayed, it's done. Unlike traditional natural history museums that primarily categorize and preserve, science centers emphasize direct engagement, inviting visitors of all ages to touch, experiment, and question. This shift began gaining significant momentum in the mid-20th century, moving away from purely didactic learning towards a hands-on, inquiry-based approach. Pioneers like the Exploratorium in San Francisco, founded by physicist Frank Oppenheimer in 1969, redefined public science engagement by building exhibits that encouraged visitors to become active participants in their own learning journey. They transformed passive observation into active exploration, making complex scientific principles tangible and accessible to everyone. The fundamental mission of a science center is to make science approachable, exciting, and relevant to everyday life. They understand that true learning often happens through direct experience and play, rather than just textbook memorization. By allowing you to manipulate a lever, generate electricity, or navigate a virtual space station, these centers foster critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and a genuine sense of wonder. They aim to demystify complex scientific phenomena, showing how physics isn't just about equations but about the world you interact with every second. It's about empowering individuals to ask why and how, cultivating an observational mindset that extends far beyond the exhibit hall. This experiential learning is crucial for developing scientific literacy across all age groups. From toddlers marveling at colored lights to adults grappling with quantum mechanics. Walk into any science center, and you'll be greeted by an incredible array of experiences designed to engage every sense. You might find giant Foucault pendulums demonstrating Earth's rotation, immersive planetariums projecting breathtaking starry skies, or colossal IMAX theaters transporting you to the deepest oceans or distant galaxies. Interactive exhibits cover everything from the basic principles of mechanics and optics, like creating your own optical illusions or experiencing a giant kaleidoscope, to exploring the intricacies of human biology, neuroscience, and environmental science. Many centers also feature live demonstrations, where scientists perform electrifying experiments, showcase robotics, or explain complex chemical reactions with flair. From dedicated children's discovery zones to advanced engineering challenges, these diverse offerings ensure that every visit is a unique adventure, appealing to different interests and learning styles. The California Academy of Sciences, for instance, seamlessly blends an aquarium, planetarium, rainforest, and natural history museum under one living roof, offering a holistic view of the natural world. The influence of science centers extends far beyond a fun day out. They are vital engines for STEM education and workforce development. By making science exciting and tangible, these centers often serve as the crucial spark that ignites a lifelong passion for scientific inquiry in young minds. Many scientists, engineers, and innovators recount their childhood visits to a science center as a pivotal moment that inspired their career path. They provide an informal learning environment that complements formal schooling, bridging the gap between theoretical classroom knowledge and practical application. This early exposure helps demystify STEM fields, making them seem less intimidating and more accessible. Furthermore, science centers play a critical role in promoting scientific literacy among the general public, empowering citizens to make informed decisions about complex societal issues ranging from climate change to public health policy. But science centers are more than just exhibit halls. They are dynamic community hubs and incubators for innovation. Many offer extensive professional development programs for teachers, equipping educators with new tools and strategies to bring inquiry-based learning back into the classroom. They often collaborate with local universities and research institutions on projects, becoming active participants in scientific research and public engagement. From citizen science initiatives where visitors contribute to real research, to hosting hackathons and innovation challenges, science centers are at the forefront of fostering scientific thinking. They also serve as critical platforms for discussing contemporary scientific challenges, such as sustainable energy, artificial intelligence, or vaccine development, providing a neutral space for informed public dialogue. These institutions are continually evolving, leveraging new technologies like virtual and augmented reality to create even more immersive and impactful learning experiences for a global audience. In a world increasingly shaped by science and technology, science centers are more essential than ever. They are not merely repositories of knowledge, but vibrant catalysts for curiosity, critical thinking, and the relentless pursuit of understanding. They bridge generations, inspire careers, and ultimately, help us all make sense of our incredible world. So, what scientific mystery are you curious about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that like button, and subscribe for more explorations into the wonders of our universe. And next time you're looking for an adventure, consider visiting your local science center. Who knows what you might discover?